Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture of fsQCA Qualitative Comparative Analysis, today we will show how to calibrate the data. So, in the previous video, we learned how to prepare the data set, and after that, we calculated the descriptive statistics. But in this stage, actually, we need to calibrate our data. So, for calibration purpose, actually, say for example, we have Likert scale of data. So maybe one is strongly disagree, three means neutral, and five means strongly agree. So in many paper, actually there are some techniques or method. It's not universal, right? So in many paper you will find the one it means the membership of fully out. Five it means one. It means the membership is fully in. At the same time, three means the crossover point, right? So it's one example. On the other hand, we will calculate based on the percentile. So in some cases, you will find less than 10% is fully out, greater than 190% is fully in, and 50% it means it's crossover point, right? But in our practice session, we will consider 5% it means fully out, 50% it means crossover point, and greater than 90 or 90%, 90 and 90% it means fully in. So based on the percentile technique, we will do the calibration process. So let's practice. In the previous video, you noticed that we converted or we prepared our data set from the raw data in this version. Right now, we need to calculate the percentile, 5 percentile, 50 percentile, and 95 percentile. So we can do it using many softwares, several softwares, right? But we will use SPSS in our context. So open the SPSS. To reduce my time, actually, I entered the data previously to manage my time. So here are the variables. So it's very simple. Go to the analysis, descriptive statistics, frequency. So when you go to the frequency, please take all the variables into the variable box and click in statistics. Here you will find the percentiles. So write 5%, add 50%, right? Add, I mean percentile, and 95 percentile. Okay. You don't need to select anything. Just click continue and okay. So you will get this table, I mean percentile value. For reporting purpose, we can copy this table in a Excel format, right? Just copy and here you can paste. I mean here, right? So this is the table. Based on these values, we will calibrate our data. Okay, I'm just deleting these two rows. So these are okay. 5 percentile, 50 percentile, and 95 percentile value. Okay, so let's open the fsQCA software. So this is the fsQCA software. I mean opening interface, import the file, just click open. And what is my file? In desktop is a CS, I mean customer satisfaction file. So here you will find all the values actually, right? So we need to calibrate the data. Say for example, for ATT com, it's CCOHAMI, I'm sorry, it will come, right? So how to do calibrate the data? Go to the variable. Here you will find the compute. Here you will find the calibration, right? Calibrate X, N1, N2, N3. So select this one, and here you need to write the variable name. Say for example, ATT. X, it means the ATT. N1, it means the 95 percentile. 95 percentile, it means 5.67. 5.67, crossover point 5, 3.33, and 2, and 2 it means 3.33, and finally 5 percentile 1.33. I mean N3 is equal to 1.33, right? So click OK. Here you will find data has already calibrated, and here you will find the new value of the calibrated data. So in this way, actually, we need to do calibration for all variables. So once again, variable, compute, click here, calibration. So for X, so here you'll write the here N1 it means 7, N1 it means 7, and 2 it means 4.67, and N3 it means 2. Click OK. Okay, then variable, compute, calibration for CSR. So here in X, CSR X for N1 5.2, 5.2, for N2 4, 2, 4, and for N3 is 2. Click. So 3 data is already calibrated, and here the new variables are computing, right? And here new variables are computing. Once again, variable, compute, calibration, CL. So X it means CL, 7, 5, 2.67. So 7, 5, 2.67. Done. Compute, calibration, like, L-I-K, like, K-E. So X, it means like X, N1, 6 for 1.33. 6 for 1.33. Done. Variable, compute, calibration, then TR. So X here, it means TRX. Here 6, 4.5, 2.17. 6, 4.5, here 2.17. 2.17. Click OK. And finally, compute, calibrate, CUSA, customer satisfaction, CUSA. Okay, here X means CUSA 752. 752. Click OK. Save. Okay. For save as, I'm just clicking save as, right? Say for example, CS underscore calibration. Okay. This is our calibrated data set. So in this way, we can calibrate our data, right? So in the next video, we'll try to create how to do or how to create the true table. So up to the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.